I want to listen to something good.
Try this.
I've never heard this before.
It's fart sounds.
New from Time Life, the best of fart sounds, Volume 1. Finally, all your favorite farts on one compact disc. It contains many time-honored classics, such as... Order now and you'll begin receiving a new volume in the Fart Sounds library every 2 weeks, including Flatulence of the 80s, Smooth Gas, Farts Heard on High, and Ass Burps, the comedic farting of Jerry Stoneweller.
Oh, I never knew farts could be funny.
Order now and start your collection today.
These farts sound great.
I know.